In Arunachal Pradesh, 150 polling stations for simultaneous Lok Sabha and Assembly polls will be managed solely by women, with over 1,000 women officers deployed alongside women security personnel. Notably, 6 district election officers are women, showcasing a significant participation of women in the electoral process. A total of 50,842 government employees are involved in conducting the polls, with 2,073 polling teams dispatched and 864 vehicles equipped with GPS for transportation. Additionally, the Election Commission has appointed 155 micro-observers in vulnerable polling stations and 417 in critical ones. For monitoring, webcasting and ENCORE communication systems will be utilized in 750 polling stations online and 342 offline. The elections cover western and eastern parliamentary seats and 50 assembly constituencies, where the ruling BJP has already secured 10 assembly seats uncontested. Counting of votes is scheduled for June 2 for assembly elections and June 4 for Lok Sabha polls.